All right, guys, you guys want to see something awesome? And check this out. So thank you, Brando, for posting this. This is basically like the Cybertruck and the Irvine Police Department. They use the Cybertruck as one of their patrol car, and I believe it looks really, really nice. Let's check it out.
The crowd, let's do a countdown from 3, 2, 1. This concludes the speaking portion of this event. If you guys would like to come forward and get some better video footage, please feel free.
So I think it's really nice, but I think to make it more durable or more sturdy or more like crazy looking, I think they should put like some kind of guard bars up here, like metal piece sticking out from here, and one on the back as well too. That's just my thought. What do you guys think? But other than that, I think it looks really nice.